got them for retail, man. Ooh, you too, fam. What is going on with everyone today, man? Hey, welcome back yet again, man. Hey, another day, another shoe, man. Hey, it is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all with another one of these unboxing videos, man. Hey, I gotta show y'all what your boy gets when I get them and give y'all my first initial reaction to them, man. And this video right here is a special video because your boy did finally hit for these on the Snkrs app. Y'all know, bro, y'all know how I've been getting down with Snkrs app. The last shoe that your boy got for retail, Snkrs app is retail, but the last shoe your boy did hit off of the Snkrs app was the Air Jordan 7 Reflection of a Champion. So hey, man, y'all pull up the calendar, and it wasn't even a regular drop because those shoes did a shock drop. I hit on that shock drop of those Reflections of a Champion. So do the math on how long ago that was. But your boy is back on deck, man. And hey, it wasn't easy, man. It wasn't easy. Your boy had to do a little something to get them, and I'm gonna let y'all in on that secret, man. So hey, this is free game, fam. Free game. I ain't never told nobody the secret because I've actually hit 2 shoes in a row, and I think I got it figured out. Hey, man, so peep this. This is what you have to do. Don't tell nobody. This is just strictly for the fam, you feel me? All right. First, you gotta say a prayer. Then, major key. This right here is a major key. The next step, what you gotta do is this.
Give me a chance, give me a chance, give me a chance. Girl, give me a chance, give me a chance, give me a chance. Give me a chance, give me a chance, give me a chance.
Hey, tell me that was not hilarious, man. Hey, boy, I about died when I see that, man. Hey, man, it's just all luck, man. I was capping. There ain't no secret to it. It is all luck. I don't even know how I hit, man. But hey, truly appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Hit that subscribe button if this is your first time checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor. Truly appreciate y'all, man. But let's get into what y'all came here to see. I had to throw a little humor in there because hey, we gotta keep it live, and you know what I'm saying. And you know, hey, keep it funny and entertaining over here, man. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and check out these shoes that your boy got for retail, man. Bang! Just do it. Oh, upside down. Just do it across the top of that box, man. Your boy got these for retail, man. And I don't even know how to feel about these shoes because, you know, and hey, FYI, if you guys follow me over on Twitter at J, just the letter J, the Sneaker Guy, you already know what these are because I've been putting my Twitter onto game lately because I'm, you know, hey, my people that follow me on Twitter, hey, I appreciate y'all. So I've been letting y'all know what your boy has been doing, but I've kind of been keeping it a secret on my IG. But if you follow me on Twitter, you already know what's in the box. So hey, make sure y'all tune into my Twitter if y'all want to know about what's going on and you know what the things are first, because that's why I'm gonna start putting my stuff first before it hits Instagram and anywhere else. But anyway, as I said, man, let's check it out, man. I ain't gonna stall it no more, man. But this, I ain't even gonna say it because y'all gonna know what it is. But let me pop it open, man. First Snkrs app W, and it's been almost a year. Might be over a year, to be honest. But y'all might say that I hit on my mochas, but I didn't hit on the mochas. My wife hit on those. But popping open this Snkrs app box. Yes, your boy got Let me soak it in real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me soak it in, man. Everything intact. Okay, everything intact. It looks kind of big. I ain't gonna hold you. Pause. The box does. But y'all ready? Let me take it out, man. Hey. Oh yeah, you see the shirt is appropriate for it, right? You see the Gotham tee on, man. It was only right, man. But bang! Your boy hit for the J Balvin Air Jordan 1s for retail, man. So big shout out to the Snkrs app for blessing your boy and for the first time in over a year, man. I mean, it was time, man. It was time. But yes, it does come in a different box, man. It looks like one of them like heat radiation boxes, like not a heat radiation box, but the logo looks like it has like that heat wave radiation look on it. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty dope. It look like them SBs, like you just took a blow dryer or something to it, and you know it just changed the colors, man. But anyway, man, pink Nike right there on the side, on the back, and got that sizing tag right there. You do see your boy's size right there, man. So hey, got them for retail. They were $190 before tax. But we're gonna get into a detailed review of these in another video, you know, coming up. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting them on feet because I don't know if I want to keep these yet, man, because your boy has his eyes on those trophy room ones, and I know I'm gonna have to pay resale for those, so it might be trade bait. Who knows? I might keep them. I might, you know, get rid of them. But anyways, man, lot number right there on the lid, yada yada. Taking a look. Let me set this back here for a second, man. Yeah, that looks a little bit better, man. But taking a look at the shoe paper, we do get smiley faces, Jumpmans, lightning bolts, or whatever that is, basketballs. We get all of the above, man. So let me check these out for the first time with y'all and give y'all my initial reaction, man. So pull that up, man. It does have that what kind of wax? It has like a wax type of paper for the shoe paper, but y'all ready, man? And I can see those bright colors already, man, through that paper, man. But let's check it out, man. Bang! Oh man, we got the Air Jordan 1 J Balvins.
Jay making movies, swap it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Just a doubled up shot, it's so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Chewy. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Woo! Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out. Bangers on bangers, I'm copping now. Jay on the roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out.
Bang! Here we have them, y'all. The Air Jordan 1 J Balvin collab, man. And I must say they are, you know, a little more, you know, what word am I looking for, man? They look better in hand. They look better in hand. They still look crazy, of course, but you know, I see what on a nice warm, not even warm, you know, a nice cool summer day, you know, your boy could be down in my hometown of Miami, Florida, or maybe I might be out in Cali somewhere, man, you know, tank top on, you know, showing off the tats, you know, with my wife next to me, you know what I'm saying, you feel me, with my wife by my side. But yo, man, you know, hey, just out for a little scroll, maybe some dope graphic shorts on, and blow, have these on feet, man. This is a eye catcher. This is gonna catch your eyes. This is gonna catch your eyes. It's gonna catch your eyes over there in the back. It's gonna catch everybody's eyes. Like, this is going to snatch eyes, man. It's just a eye popping shoe, man. It is straight, in my opinion. It's actually dope, bro. It's very creative, man. And me being a sneaker lover, man, like, I don't know, man. This might have to stay in the collection, bro, because it is dope in hand, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man. It's different. It's different. It's very loud. You know what I'm saying? A lot going on, man. And big shout out to J Balvin for being the first Latino to collaborate with Jordan Brand, man. Many of y'all probably don't know who J Balvin is, but I know you have heard him. If you have heard Cardi B's I Like It Like That, you heard J Balvin because he is on that song. I think he on the last verse. He actually switches back and forth with who else is on that song with him? Bad Bunny. Yeah, Bad Bunny is on that song as well, but J Balvin is on that song. So yeah, man, hey, big shout out to him for that, man. But yes, man, I got these for retail, as well as I did hit on a pair of Jubilee 11s, man. So hey, check it out right there, man. No cap, my account is back online, it seems like. But hey, it took long enough, but I ain't complaining with a dub like this, man. So let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. I don't know how well my camera, you know what I'm saying, is doing these shoes justice, but they do look a lot better in hand, man. I ain't gonna hold you. And this is a nice little keeper for retail, you know, for the collection, man. So your boy might have to keep these, I ain't gonna hold you. And them trophy room ones is still gonna have to get caught regardless, but I might just hold on to these because, like I said, man, your eyes, it's catching eyes, man. And it's a unique shoe, man. So hey, that is it for this unboxing, man. Your boy Jay will be checking out. I will have a review, in-depth review. I don't think I'll be throwing them on feet as of right now, but they did come with a couple extra laces, but they ripped off, as you can see right there, man. So 3 pairs, 4 including the one that's in the shoe, but like I said, they all ripped off. And I do get a couple of you know, little graphic things to throw on the back of the shoe right there. So nice little details that come with the shoe, man. And yo, man, that's it for this unboxing, man. But got blessed with these, and when I seen that got them, I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? But hey, it is what it is, man. But hey, till my next one, your boy Jay, the Sneaker Guy, is checking out with the J Balvins. And I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.